Hello everybody, this is Eden Daily. Today I will teach you how to make a pencil bow. Okay, first you can get anything or any pencil that's straight, like this, and then you shoot it. But if you do overpower, do like, get it? It'll get really short. Even if you do less power, it'll go like this. If you do normal, like a bit back like this, it will shoot really far. Let me see. That's not really far. Okay. Let me see one more time. That should work. Yeah, I would do it like that, but I did two though, so we went there. So the things you need is a hole puncher, a cut rubber bands, and a piece of paper. Any size paper will work. And a scissor. First, you need to fold a hat. Don't say I'm good at origami because I'm really bad at it. For the paper hat part, you have to do it perfectly. Otherwise, it would get out of shape for the bow. Now I fold the hat. Next, you first fold the corners. No, before you do that, you have to fold in the top here, any side you want, like this, and then you fold the sides, these sides, until like this, diagonal like that, see, like that, and like this, like a telephone, and then you have to fold like a telephone, but it's not exactly the telephone. If you want to fold a telephone, you exactly do the same to each side. Now it's okay, and then after you do the both sides, end this like this shape, like a telephone, like hello. Next, you take the hole puncher to then the holes here. Here, about here. Next, you get the cut rubber band here, and then you go through the hole here, and then tie a knot, or a double knot, or triple knot, how much you want. Now it's done. It's time to try it out. Now it works perfectly. Now this is the end of the video. Bye bye. See you next time.